Ever felt that dread when your Google Ads budget is gone by day 10? You're not alone. Many small businesses struggle, watching their cash burn without consistent results. But what if you could control your ad spend, making your budget work harder and last longer? Today, I'm diving deep into mastering Google Ads budget pacing like a true pro. First, let's understand why your budget disappears. Google's algorithm is smart. It wants to spend your daily budget if it sees opportunities. While great for reach, it can front load your spending, leaving you dry later in the month. High competition, broad targeting, and unchecked bidding also play a huge role. Imagine shopping without a list. You'd overspend fast, right? So how do we fix it? It starts with daily budget allocation. Google can actually spend up to twice your daily budget on any given day. This is called overdelivery. To prevent your ads from vanishing, start with a slightly lower daily budget than your true average. So if your monthly budget is $1,000, instead of $33 a day, try $25 to $30. This buffer is critical. Next, your bidding strategy is your ultimate control panel. For beginners or smaller budgets, manual CPC may be your best friend. You set the max CPC you're willing to pay per click. No surprises. Automated strategies like maximize conversions are powerful, but they need data and careful setup. Start manual and then automate once you have a clear picture. Now, for precision, bid adjustments is where you get surgical. Notice your mobile conversions are amazing in the evening. Increase your bids for mobile users during those hours. Getting poor results from desktop traffic in the mornings, apply a negative adjustment for the morning. You're prioritizing spend where it actually performs, saving you cash elsewhere. Continuous monitoring is non-negotiable. Check your account daily or every other day. Are you on track with spend? Is your CPC too high? More importantly, what's your cost per conversion? Pause underperforming keywords. Reallocate budget to winners. Dig into performance data by device, time, and location. If weekends are cheaper for conversions, capitalize on that. Finally, avoid these common pitfalls. Ignoring your search term report is like throwing money away. You might be paying for clicks on free plumbing jobs when you sell plumbing repair services. Add irrelevant terms as negative keywords and be cautious with broad match keywords. They can attract a lot of irrelevant traffic fast. Stick to phrase or exact match for tighter control initially. Mastering Google Ads budget pacing is all about discipline and data. By implementing these strategies, you'll transform your campaigns from a money pit into a consistent results-driving machine. You absolutely can make your budget last and deliver. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.